Good morning everyone. Today's class we are going to see about blockchain security. So blockchain is a technology where we are using recently with all the software industries. So before going to deeper explanation about the security mechanism, somebody will give the explanation about what is blockchain.
Blockchain is a digital record book. The files are stored in one block. Block is filled. It automatically connected to another block, and it's all are connected to the chain. This is known as blockchain.
So as we said, blockchain technology is different computers will be connected together in a common network. So we call as nodes that we have from last class. So here what is blockchain security? We have to protect our blockchain system. We have created a blockchain system with different so many computers. In the worldwide there will be a lot of transactions happens. All the transactions will be stored in the memory pool. So from the memory pool you will take few transactions and you will go for verification. That we call as a consensus mechanism. So minus will solve that. Okay. So after creating the blockchain technology for a particular application, we have to look into the security mechanism. So first is protecting your data from blockchain system from data tampering. So there may be hackers will tamper your data. They will access your data without your permission. That we call as unauthorized access. Then they will do some cyber attacks also. So there are a lot of cyber attacks we have seen in the cyber security. That are malware, ransomware attacks, then phishing attacks, man-in-the-middle attacks. There are so many attacks the hacker will do. Similarly, in blockchain also you will expect those attacks. So we have to protect those attacks with the help of our blockchain mechanisms. So we can take a real-time example of so for this protection for data tampering, fraud, unauthorized access, cyber attacks, we are using our cryptographic system. So for encryption, decryption systems. Then decentralization means we are distributing to all the computers. If hackers only one system, then other system will have the correct data. So that we can be able to recover. Then concepts like proof of work and proof of stake will be used in order to avoid this fraud from the hackers. Then take a real-time example of online banking versus your blockchain payment. So we are doing blockchain payment and we are doing online banking. But there may be a chance of if the hacker hacks one single server, because our online banking system will work under only single server. So if a hacker tries to hack only one single server, then the entire bank system will be get collapsed. But in blockchain system, we have many servers. The hackers need to hack all the servers. That is impossible. That means even though hacker is not able to hack all the system, at least he has to hack 51%. More than 50% he has to hack. Then only he will take control of entire banking system. So when compared to the normal traditional banking system, your blockchain banking system will be having more security. In terms of security, the blockchain plays a vital role here. Then in hospital database, we have stored all the patient data. If someone try to hack all the data, in traditional system, it is easy to hack all the data. Then it will be, if you are using blockchain-based medical records, then similarly you have to be able to retrieve all the patient records back with the help of other systems. So if one system is hacked with the help of this hospital database, other system will have a correct data, so you can recover back. So that can be able to do in blockchain technology. Then similarly, you have a WhatsApp server versus your blockchain network. So in WhatsApp server, only a single server. So if a server gets down, the WhatsApp will take more time to transmit the data from one person to another person. But in blockchain, even though server downs, only few nodes will get slow. Other nodes will be having some network problem. So we can able to save data with the help of other nodes. Because here we have a lot of nodes. If the server gets down, only few nodes will get slow. Other nodes will get faster. So these are the main advantage of using blockchain in terms of banking and hospital database. Then what is the main objective of using cryptography? We have studied cryptography subject, but applying your cryptography subject in the blockchain is very important. So the main thing is hash function. Hash function is a fixed value for For example, if you give a name of Kabilan as an input, you will get a fixed hash value. Even if you change one letter instead of A, if you use it to change U, then your hash value will entirely change. Entire hash value will change. So you can easily identify now the hash value has been changed, but which means some hacker has taken the data A into U. So that we can easily identify. So where you are applying this blockchain cryptography in real time means online courier tracking. So we have everyone is sending a courier from different places to different places. So here, what the parcel data details has been entered. What is the product? What is the weight of the product? What is the parcel details entered in the system software? Here, immediately you will get a one unique identity number. After entering the parcel details, you will get one unique identity number. If someone in between, before the parcel delivers the receiver, if someone changes the data, okay, your unique identity number will tell you the parcel data has been altered. So in the help of this blockchain also, online courier tracking you can do. Then you are on the consensus mechanism plays a vital role. Here all the nodes should agree on the transaction because 100 nodes are connected together. All nodes should agree the transaction. Then only the miner will take the transaction and solve the problem. Then we have 51% attack. In blockchain, what the hacker will do is they will create a 51% attack because I already told out of 100%, those hacker takes control of 51% server nodes. For them, then only they will be able to control the entire system. So even though they control 50 systems, out of 100 systems, even though control 50 systems, it is not possible to take entire control. You have to cross 51 control. So here you will expect in blockchain 51% attack. You can expect from the hacker. But for that you have to be aware about this 51% attack. So here for real-time example is company code control. So normally the IT companies will have a SAP. 4 to 5 companies will have work together. Those companies having a 51% control, they will take their control, they will conduct a meeting, they will do some instructions for other companies. Similarly, double splitting here, example, movie ticket copy. So, same copy will be generated once again, they will be distributed in phase manner. So, that can be avoided in blockchain. Only the blockchain will verify the first ticket only. If the same copy is repeated, then it will not consider second ticket copy. So you can avoid this fake system in movie ticket printing also. Then civil attack. What is civil attack? Last the election, they will do 100 fake IDs. Okay, so that can be able to avoid using this blockchain technology. So finally, the conclusion will be given by Naveen Raj. So these are the various mechanisms when used to implement the avoid security in the blockchain technology. So he will conclude where all the blockchain is used nowadays in real time for our classes.
Good morning, Dr. Presenter. Now I am going to conclude this point as blockchain and security. Let me conclude blockchain security applications. The first application is cryptocurrency. The main and most famous application, one of the main applications in blockchain security. Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies are used for the transaction without any medium like banks. Only person to person, peer to peer. Next, healthcare data. Healthcare data are very important for a person because entire data of a person is contained in the healthcare. So we want to protect it by blockchain. Next is supply chain tracking. Like we can track the supply chains from the goods like goods and transports like that. We can tracking using blockchain. Next one, IoT securities. In IoT, first of all, IoT is lagging in security. We implementing blockchain to overcome the lagging. When the edge devices are communicating via to the microcontroller in the medium in between the edge devices and controller, third person hacker can be come. So there we can implement blockchain. So IoT securities also will be very improvised. last and not bad, banking. Everyone using banking and we want to protect it via blockchain. That's it. Thank you.